Lighting the way ahead, Lighthouse Factory, LG Electronics, Tennessee. The manufacturing paradigm is changing. Smart manufacturing solutions are now well and truly in the global spotlight. The World Economic Forum gives only the most exemplary smart factory models its Lighthouse Factory status. As a key production hub for LG Electronics, the Tennessee factory became the first U.S. home appliance plant to be named a Lighthouse Factory in January 2023. Let's see how LG's Tennessee factory is applying groundbreaking innovation to manufacturing. First, product design automation. To simplify and shorten the CAD design process, LG has introduced template-based modules that enable the automation and verification of product designs. Second, streamlined performance testing. This leading smart factory utilizes virtual product performance verification through digital twin technology to reduce production time and energy consumption. Third, advanced injection molding process. By installing interior sensors, the intelligent molding system can measure and analyze data in real time in order to enhance both quality and productivity. On-time delivery. The LG Tennessee factory uses advanced automated guided vehicles and a sophisticated overhead conveyor system to transport various parts around its expansive facility. Lastly, robots employing camera sensors designed to undertake dangerous and complicated tasks. Through these achievements, LG Tennessee has improved productivity by 39% while strengthening the company's position in the U.S. laundry market. The smart manufacturing innovations of the Tennessee factory have reduced greenhouse gas emissions per unit by 19% during the production stage, while enabling its operations to run on 100% renewable energy. Efficient automation systems support LG's goal of fostering a safer workplace and a stronger local community. By becoming a Lighthouse Factory in 2023, LG Tennessee is following in the footsteps of LG Smart Park in Changwon, South Korea. As a world-leading home appliance brand, LG will continue to leverage smart manufacturing solutions that enable a better life for all.